Alright, let's make one of my favorite Korean side dishes, cucumber salad, also known as oi-muchim. Alright, let's start off with a pair of chopsticks and a really sharp knife. We'll take the cucumber and place it between the chopsticks so that we can slice without cutting all the way through. Try to make consistent cuts as best as you can. You can see here that the cuts are pretty uniform, and that's pretty good. We're going to flip it over and do exactly the same thing, and remember to cut diagonally. Now we have this super neat accordion pattern, stays totally intact, and that's how you get cuts just like this. This is a super fun way to get more vegetables into your diet, and it's fun for kids as well as adults. Cut up the rest of your cucumbers and throw it in a small bowl. We're gonna grate some salt on here and then toss it, and then grate a little bit more and then toss it again, just to make sure it's well coated. Now this actually does two things. It keeps its crispy texture and it also gives it flavor. Let it sit for about 5 minutes while we get our other ingredients. We'll add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and then 1 teaspoon of low sodium soy sauce, as well as 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and for a little bit of spice, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of Korean red chili flakes, and for my Korean speaking friends, go춧가루, we're going to add a big handful of chopped green onion. These are super mild, so you can actually add quite a lot and have great flavor. And lastly here, we're going to add freshly ground black pepper. Now we're going to toss to mix all the ingredients together and get into all the crevices of the cucumbers. I love this recipe because it's super simple. Pretty much everything is in a 1-to-1 ratio, and it's so fast and easy. Alright, let's do some plating. You can arrange the cucumbers however you like on the plate here. I definitely like to showcase the accordion cut on the plate here, and it looks really nice. And don't forget the sauce and the green onions as garnish as well. And we're done! A beautiful, healthy cucumber salad. I hope you enjoy! Thanks for watching! Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. See you next time!